Hi, I'm Charlotte Mensah, Afro hair expert. Today I want to show you how to style Afro hair with heat safely. Today I'm going to style the hair into a really nice smooth blow dryer with a slight bend on the ends. All of GHD products styles at 185 degrees Celsius. It means I can style with confidence whilst protecting the hair's natural integrity. I like using the Max because I feel like I have more control. Also the fact that it's flatter, so I feel like I can control the hair more, and it's such a beautiful finish. Make sure that there's a little bit of tension, so control the hair with your left hand by just pulling it a little bit away from the scalp and then use the tool. The way GHDs are made, it's so kind to the hair. You'll never get that heat damage, so if you decide to switch from curly to straight, there's not going to be that heat damage where some of the curls have now become straight.
Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.